Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Escamilla. Today is Wednesday. So for your homework tonight, you will need to complete the two problems for Wednesday. But I wanted to kind of show you something. Since we've been talking about input and output tables, I found something kind of funny online. If you share it with mom and dad, they'll probably understand it. When talking about washing socks, usually if you put 6 inside the washing machine, only 5 come out. Seems like socks always get lost for some reason when we wash laundry. So what would be the rule here? So if 6 socks are going into the washing machine, but only 5 are coming out of the washing machine, what's happening inside that washing machine so that only 5 socks come out? And so obviously the rule would be to subtract 1 sock, that you lose 1 sock every time you wash a load of laundry. So anyway, I thought that was kind of funny. So we're continuing with input-output tables on our homework today. On number 5, this is, it says the table shows a relationship between the input numbers and the output numbers generated by a number machine. And so here's our number machine, our input and our output, and we're trying to figure out which number machine shows the same relationship as the one shown in the table. So we're looking for that rule. One of the mistakes I noticed that a few of us made the other day was that you guys were looking for patterns going down the input column. And so I reminded you guys to be very careful about that, because the rule, we're not looking for the rule of the output column or the rule of the input column. We are looking for the rule from the input column to the output column. So what is happening to the number in the input column to get it to change into the number in the output column? And so whatever you discover the rule is, it needs to apply to every single number in the input column. So make sure that you are looking for the rule from the input to the output and not going down the output or down the input on number 5. Okay, on number 6, it says that Sheena buys 1,000 stickers and she plans to share 15 stickers with each of her friends. Sheena creates this table to show the relationship between the number of friends who will receive the stickers and the total number of stickers she will share. So these are Sheena's stickers. In this particular example, the input column represents the number of friends, which is on top, and the output represents the stickers shared with all those friends on the bottom. So keep in mind again, we will need to be looking for the relationship between the input and the output table. So I do not want you to find the rule going across the input or across the output. Rather, I'm wanting you to look for the rule from what is happening to that number in the input column in order to get the number in the output column. So what's happening to the 1 to get a 15? What's happening to the number 2 to get 30? What's happening to the number 3 to get the number 45? And so whatever you discover the rule is, it has to apply to every number in the input column. In other words, whatever that rule is, you have to do it to each number in the input column, that same rule, to get what goes in the output column. So if this pattern continues, how many total stickers will Sheena share with 47 friends? So notice that the friends are in the input column. So if this input column went all the way to 47 friends, well, how many stickers will she have shared with all those 47 friends? So make sure that you're finding that rule between the input and the output so that you can answer this question. All right, if y'all have any questions, email me. Good luck.